The Unico system is a perfect solution for air conditioning, ventilation, humidity control, and in this video we will be talking about your heating options. Common questions are, is there a gas option? Can I use or upgrade an air conditioner to a heat pump? Is there an electric backup or primary source of heat? These plus other questions are going to be answered in this video. One of the most common questions when we reach the fall season is, can I heat with Unico? Of course. The first thing I want to address is a gas heat option. We do not have a gas-fired furnace. Please do not install a gas furnace in line with the Unico system. Our gas option is using a gas boiler with a hot water coil. We have two ways of doing that actually, either with a dedicated hot water coil, or if there's a chiller being used for cooling, we have a chilled water coil that will also take care of the heating. Just simply pipe in shutoff valves to isolate the boiler or the chiller depending on the season. Remember that the hot water coil strictly for hot water is it does not have a condensate drain. Our smart control board has dry contacts dedicated to the chiller or boiler with two different fan speeds, W and W2. W being 75% of W2, which is 100% airflow. These fan speeds can be adjusted even further using our EC config program. You can even use an aquastat which will delay the fan until the temperature reaches a desired set point to eliminate cold air coming from the outlets for an extended amount of time. If there are existing radiators, they can be removed or used in conjunction with the Unico system. Use a zone valve, wired into the hot W dry contacts on the smart control board, and when there's a call for that zone, maybe an upstairs area that was just finished and now needs heating, it will open the valve, turn on the boiler, and send hot water through the coil and energize the fan. With Unico System's aspiration, there is a faster recovery time versus radiators or in-floor heat. Use a reverse cycle chiller with a chilled water coil since it can provide heating and cooling. Heat pumps are a great alternative when there is not an option for gas heat. They use less energy than electric resistance heat and in recent years have come a long way. 25 plus years ago, they were pretty much useless below 30-40 degrees. Now we see great performances well below these temperatures. All of our refrigerant coils are air conditioning and heat pump compatible. We have two different thicknesses to accommodate most heat pumps. The model numbers will end with a B or an E. For example, M2430 CL1B or an M2430 CL1E. Our E coils have two extra rows for expansion when in heating mode. Most of the time, this is a coil you will use with a heat pump. But if you're not sure, give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll match the coil with the model of the heat pump you are installing. Depending on the climate, sometimes supplemental or backup heat is necessary. This is a great option when the heat pump goes into defrost. When the heat pump goes into defrost, it is in air conditioning mode. Therefore, the indoor coil will become cold. There needs to be a way to temper the air so it doesn't drop the temperature in the space. The electric heater can also be used as a primary source of heat. We have a wide range of electric heaters, 2, 5, 7.5, 10, 15, and 20 kilowatts. Most can be staged. For example, the 10 kilowatt can be staged for 5 kilowatts for the first stage and then 10 kilowatts for the second stage. Depending on the blower size, you may be limited on the size of heater to be used. For example, the M1218 can be used in conjunction with the 2, 5, and 7.5 kilowatts, where the M3036, however, can be matched to any size. Refer to the installation manuals or current price book for proper sizing. The electric furnace is always mounted on the supply side directly on the blower. It comes with a 10-inch round and a 9.5-inch square supply adapter. There are several other sizes that can be ordered separately for your application. So as you see, the Unico system is very versatile and offers a variety of ways of delivering the heat. Any questions with dealing with heating with Unico, visit our website to start a chat or give us a call and talk to a real live person. I'm Jason Church, National Training Manager here at Unico, and I'll see you next time.